Game Jams, a cozy community event where you make games with many others and learn something. Or 3 days of self-doubt, stress and coffee. I wanted to learn something, but maybe I missed some steps. We will see. I joined the Patch Notes 1.0 Game Jam, where we have 72 hours to submit a game within a theme which was announced right before the jam. And the theme is...
The error is the feature.
In Germany it's 9 AM and I have no idea what I'm doing. Let's start with a mind map. After a very long creative process... I came up with the idea for High Fly, where the jump is broken and you just keep flying. It's like a side-scroller, but vertical. The jam started just 1 week after 6 release, so I thought it would be funny to include a few memes in the story. So the plan was simple. Day 1, prototype the core mechanic. Day 2, make it pretty, so tile maps and animations. Day 3, add sound and polish everything up. I use Godot, like every beginner who failed with Unity. So, now some prototyping. I made a simple map and tested some mechanics, like flying out of the map.
Bye, have a great time!
By the evening of day 1 I had a solid prototype, although I still wasn't 100% happy with the flight mechanic. I need some dash or speed up to make it more interesting. I started day 2 with a lot of coffee and my new tile map. I used the magic color palette from Low Spec and made some grass, walls and spikes for the level. The green blobs were supposed to be clouds, but I changed that later. After a bit of level design, I started my main character. At first I thought about making a fly or something, but later I changed in some kind of flea, because wings wouldn't make sense if flying is unintended. I put it all together, made some early animations, tested a few NPCs and dialogues, and yeah, it's something. I also added a dash as a core gameplay mechanic, so you can dodge spikes while flying. I think only 6th player will understand why it's a side down dash. With that final build, I called it a day. Day 3 started with the most exciting things ever, collision boxes. And some music. I quickly realized I couldn't learn to compose new music in just a few hours. So I asked AI and it was crap. So I just used my Epidemic sound license. I know I failed with this one. With music done, I worked on my menu, and after a lot of fine-tuning, I'm actually very happy for my first full functional menu. It's so satisfying, like a real game. And I'm really in love with my new splash screen. But it took me way too long. With that done, I have only a few hours left. This is not enough time for complex level design. Therefore I made a timer and a speedrun mechanic, so it have replay potential. It was 3 AM and I still had to figure out how to upload everything properly to itch.io. I made some screenshots and finally, after a few attempts with a broken build, my first finished game was submitted to the jam page. I was so happy and tired. In the end, there were around 480 submissions and some really cool other games. And after 2 weeks of rating other games, I finally saw my results for the first time. And I have to say, I'm really happy. Top 100 overall and some really good ratings for theme and art, which I honestly didn't expect. I knew the sound could be better, but I was surprised to see art rated that high. I'm super motivated for the next steps and for the next game jam, where I'm planning to make my own sound and not another platformer. So, thanks for watching. Gumo.